What's the meaning of advert? Advert. 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 Advert is commonly used as a shortened form of the word advertisement, which refers to a promotional message or announcement aimed at persuading people to buy a product or service. Advertisements can come in various forms, including print ads, TV commercials, online ads, and billboards. The purpose of advertising is to increase awareness of a product or service and to encourage potential customers to take action, such as making a purchase or visiting a website. Advertisers often use various techniques, such as humor, emotion, or celebrity endorsements, to make their ads more memorable and effective.